In this video, we're going to go over how to find the maximum number in an array in C. And we're going to use integers for our example. We'll use int type, but this really could be floats or doubles, and it'll work more or less the same way. So we'll start off by making an array, and we'll make it called myArray, and we'll throw a bunch of random numbers in there. So, well, there we go. 1, 2, 4. So how many have we got in there? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers in there, and 10 is the maximum number. The way our algorithm is going to work to solve this problem is we're going to assume that this is initially the maximum number. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep track of this current maximum number. And then we're going to loop over. We're going to examine every element in the array one at a time. And if the element that we're currently looking at is greater than the current maximum number, we're going to say, well, that is the new maximum number then. And if we just keep doing that and we iterate over the entire array here, we'll have identified by the end of it the maximum number in the entire array. So we'll say here int max is equal to, we'll assume it's the first thing in the array. Then we're going to say for int I is equal to 0, I is less than 9 because we have 9 things in our array, I plus plus. And what we're doing here is we're going to make a loop that is going to go from this element until the end of the array, and we're going to check each element. And we're going to say that if it's ever greater than the max, so if my array at I is ever greater than the current max value, then we have identified a new current max. So we're going to say that the max is actually this one. The max is this new value. And then what we can do is if we go over the entire loop like that, we'll have, if we go over the entire array like that, not the loop like that, if we go over the entire array with this loop here, then we're going to have